Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating Kambaba Jasper, the Stone of Reinvention, into your daily life. For those who have watched my videos before, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your curiosity about gemstones. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today, we're going to talk about how Kambaba Jasper can help you. Kambaba Jasper is, I gotta be honest, I'm so excited about this video. It is one of my very favorite stones, and it's been a very supportive stone for me lately. It's one of my guardian stones. But it is just a really unusual looking stone. It's an olive green color with black eyes on it. It's also called Crocodile Jasper because I guess it's green and the outside kind of looks a little scaly, I guess. But if you're looking to find some, you'll look under Kambaba Jasper or Crocodile Jasper. Now, if you are looking to get some Kambaba Jasper, I do have Reiki tumbled Jasper that I tumbled myself available in my online store, along with bracelet and gemstone sets and pendants, so that you can start purchasing Kambaba Jasper and incorporating it in your life if you feel like it's a stone that you'd like to work with some more. But Kambaba Jasper is the Stone of Reinvention. And so the first benefit of Kambaba Jasper is that it connects us to deep ancient wisdom. And Kambaba Jasper is a form of stromatolite, which is a gemstone that's formed from fossilized algae and microorganisms. And that's what creates this kind of layered look all over it. And so stromatolites are one of the oldest stones on Earth, and they actually record a history of how life changed over the years from the layers on the gemstone. So it connects us with ancient earth and really deep earth energy. And so it helps us tap into that earth wisdom and our own inner wisdom. And it helps us figure out what our purpose is here on earth and our reason for our current incarnation on this earth. So, the deep ancient wisdom of Kambaba Jasper. And the second benefit of Kambaba Jasper is that it really helps with past life work. So this ancient wisdom, it extends further than just this physical incarnation. It really helps us understand like deep-seated habits or phobias that we seem to cling to really deeply and don't really have an explanation for. Kambaba Jasper helps us get to the root of why we do those things, and it helps us break our attachment to them and to start a new cycle without those attachments. So this is part of how it inspires reinvention. It helps us break those karmic attachments that cause us to react in certain ways that we can't necessarily explain. You know, if you're breaking a really deep-rooted habit, then you can fill that habit with a different reaction, with something new. You become something new once you let go of something that you've been clinging to for a long time. The third benefit of Kambaba Jasper is that it helps us connect with the natural cycles of life. So these circle on and the jasper and the swirls and that pattern represent the natural cycles of life. And so this helps us get in sync with life. So if you're feeling like your daily schedule is off, like eating, sleeping, working, being creative, you feel like the times that you try to do those things don't feel really comfortable, like, maybe you're going to bed at 10 o'clock at night and you really can't fall asleep, but you go to bed at midnight and you still can't fall asleep. And Kambaba Jasper helps us get into sync with those rhythms. And they could be any rhythms, like biological clock, the seasons, the moon cycle, circadian rhythms. Like, it helps us really go with the natural flow. It also helps us trust in divine timing. So if you're making a decision on when to do something, then Kambaba Jasper is a really good support stone for helping you make those decisions about timing. Then the fourth benefit of Kambaba Jasper is that, it really supports us when we embark on something new. And so it gives you the courage to really start in on something completely new, maybe outside of your comfort zone, something you've never done before, like starting up a brand new hobby, a new job, a new relationship. Like, Kambaba Jasper supports us during that process. It gives us the courage to step forward into something brand new. And so it supports reinvention and positive change. If we don't like the person that we've been and we want to start being something new, then Kambaba Jasper helps us do that. Like, it gives us the confidence to try new things, to act in new ways, to react in new ways. And it dissolves the fear of the unknown. And it helps us, boost our confidence and trust in ourselves and our abilities to do something unfamiliar. So Kambaba Jasper is just a great stone for figuring out what you're supposed to do in life and experimenting with something new and trying new adventures and just incorporating positive change in your life and knowing when to do it. Kambaba Jasper is a fabulous, fabulous stone. It's not very well known. Not a lot of people use it in their crystal healing practice, but I say try it out. It's a really wonderful, wonderful stone. So thank you so much for joining me today during this discussion about Kambaba Jasper, the Stone of Reinvention. And I hope that you found this useful and that you're curious about Kambaba Jasper. If you're new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the healing and supportive benefits of a particular gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. So if you feel like Kambaba Jasper is a gemstone you'd like to get to know more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with Kambaba Jasper. And you don't need a piece of the stone to benefit from the meditation, because just sitting through the meditation will help you realize if this is a stone that you want to work with more or not, and then you can go out and get some. So if you're interested in learning about a whole bunch of different gemstones and how they can support you in your daily life, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.